Hi, welcome to another episode of Debtors' Rights. Today we're going to talk about protecting your insurance benefits from creditors. Now, you want to file this document called the Request to Protect Income and Assets. This is page 1. Again, you want to write in the court, select your county, file number, docket number, case number, generally the same information. For larger counties, you want to write in the division, write in the creditor's name where it reads plaintiff slash creditor, write in your name where it reads defendant slash debtor, write in the employer's information. And then with this one, you want to make sure you check the insurance benefits box. Attach proof of your insurance benefits. Sometimes that proof may have like your social or other, maybe a specific PIN number or other personal identifying information. You want to white that out, redact that information if it's on there, because a lot of times these documents are filed and end up in the public record, and you don't want your social or any other personal identifying, any type of unique number that's unique to you. You don't want that to end up in the public record. Sometimes too, courts do charge filing fees for filing these documents sometimes, and if there's going to be a filing fee and you can't afford to pay the fee, you want to ask the clerk for an affidavit of indigency. Okay, and what that does, you would fill that document out, and then that document is basically telling the court that I cannot afford to pay the filing fees today, and the court will review that document, and if they determine that you cannot afford to pay the filing fees, then it moves the filing fees from the front of the case to the end of the case. So the filing fees do not go away, you just end up paying the filing fees later. So don't let filing fees or lack of money stop you from filing this document and making sure that your assets are protected from creditors. And if you have like 3 or 4 creditors that have sued you, then you must file this document 3 to 4 times. So for each creditor, this document has to be filed. Okay. So this is page 2 of the Request to Protect Income and Assets. So you want to sign it, you want to date it, and then also too, very important, you want to make sure that you get your hearing date. And your proof should be attached to this document here. You want to complete the certificate of service. How did you deliver this document to the other side? Did you hand deliver it to them? Was it served electronically? Was it e-file to them? Did you maybe you delivered a copy to them in open court? Or maybe you mailed it to them. Whatever option you chose, you want to indicate that, notate that in the certificate of service, and then you want to put in the creditor's information. Now, so that information you should already have, because it should be listed in the civil warrant. So basically, look at your civil warrant, pull the creditor's name and contact information from that civil warrant, and write it in the certificate of service. Okay, because that is the person that should be getting these documents. A lot of times it's the creditor's attorney, but for some reason it's not. It could be the creditor itself, but whoever sued you on that civil warrant, that's who you want to serve a copy of this document with. Then you want to put the date that you gave. When I say serve, that's the date that you gave them a copy. So you want to write the date in there as well too, where it says date, and then sign your name. And then make sure you deliver a copy to them. Make sure you keep a copy for your records as well too. Okay, so this part here, the judge will complete. It's important that you go to your court date. So your proof should have already been attached, but if for some reason you did not attach proof of your insurance benefits, make sure you bring that with you to court, okay? Because you have to show the judge and the creditor some sort of proof to prove that the income that you're seeking to protect are actually insurance benefits. They need some sort of proof, okay? Try to see if the creditors will agree that this is a protected asset, but if for some reason they do not agree, that's okay. Don't be afraid to go before the court and let the court decide. And even if the creditor does agree, the creditor and you should still go before the court to make sure that it is protected, and to get the judge's signature that the judge also agrees, yes, this is a protected asset. Okay, so definitely make sure you get the judge's signature on this and the date. And for some reason, it's important that you go to your court date. And if for some reason you do not go, you notice that there is a box that the judge can check to say this person did not show up to court. So make sure that you go to court. And if for some reason, I don't know if I said this already, but if for some reason you did not attach proof of your insurance benefits, make sure you bring a copy of that with you to court. So to get this document, just use the link in the description. And so just thank you for watching. My name is Gina Crawley. I am an attorney out of Nashville, Tennessee. So no attorney-client relationship was formed by watching this video. This is general information. I am getting the word out. And so probably most important on this list here is to spread the word. Please let other people know about this, that their insurance benefits could be protected. If you know someone who's dealing with creditor issues, just share this information with them. Let them know that this document is out there, the request to protect income and assets, and they should fill that out and at least try to seek the protection, try to seek protection from the court. So thank you so much for watching, and just stay tuned for more episodes and just enjoy your day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.